Okay. So here, if you observe this problem, we are having x cube d cube by dx cube. Okay. So given equation is x cube d cube y by dx cube plus 3x square d square y by dx square plus x into dy by dx plus 8y is equal to 65 cos log x. Okay. Now here we are having x cube d cube y by dx square is there, x square d square y by dx square is there, x dy by dx is there. So we have to replace all these notations like this. X cube d cube y by dx cube can be replaced with d into d minus 1 into d minus 2. So until where we have to stop? Here degree minus 1. So that means 2, right? So up to d minus 2 we have to take multiply with y. Similarly, x square d square y by dx square is equal to d into d minus 1. That means 2 minus 1. It is 1. So into y. Similarly, x into dy by dx. So this is nothing but dy. Okay. Next. So this is also same. T is equal to log x. We are taking. So we have written in logarithmic form. Write it in algebraic form. E power t is equal to x. Okay. So with these substitutions, we'll do in equation 1. So from equation 1, substitute all these things in equation 1. So what happens? D into d minus 1 into d minus 2. Next plus 3 into d minus 1 plus d plus 8. Taken y common is equal to 65 cos of here log x is how much? Log x you have taken it as t. So take it as t. So I'll get 65 cos t. Okay. So now we have to simplify on the left hand side to solve this equation. Okay. Simplify on the left hand side. What happens? D square minus d into d minus 2 plus 3d square minus 3d plus d plus 8 into y is equal to 65 cos t. Again multiply with this, you'll get d cube minus 2d square minus d square plus 2d plus 3d square minus 3d plus d. It is plus 2d plus 8 into y is equal to 65 cos t. So now again simplify this. So d cube minus here d squares. How many are there? Minus 3d square, here plus 3d square. So these two get cancelled. Next 2d plus 2d, you'll get 4d plus 8 into y is equal to 65.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
It should be 3D plus 3D square minus 2D.
Huh?
Plus 3D square minus 2D plus 8.
3D square minus 2D. Oh, sorry. It is minus 2D, correct. So this 2D also get cancelled. So how much will remain? Plus 8 into y is equal to 65 cos t. Now is it fine? M cube plus 8 into y is equal to 65 cos t. Now take this as equation 2. Now we need to solve equation 2. Okay, so auxiliary equation we need to find. Auxiliary equation is how much? M cube plus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, but we can write this also as m cube plus 2 cube is equal to 0. 2 cube is 8 only. So what is the formula for a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b. That means m plus 2 into a square. That means m square minus ab. So ab means 2 into m. So we'll get 2m plus b square. So b square is 4 is equal to 0. Fine. So now we need to solve this quadratic equation. Okay. So how to solve? Let us see. We got one root as m is equal to minus 2. One more root we need to find. So m is equal to minus of minus 2. So we'll get plus 2 plus or minus root of b square. It is 2 minus 4. So 4 into 4 we get 16. Okay. Whole divided by 2a. So it is 2. Okay. So m is equal to 2 plus or minus root minus 12. Sorry, root minus, sorry, here b square, right? B square is 4. Okay, 4 minus 16. 4 minus 16, it is minus 12 divided by 2. So, but 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Correct. So, what is the root of minus 4? 2 plus or minus root of minus 4 is 2i. Correct. So, I can write this as 2 root 3 into I divided by 2. Take 2 common, you'll get the answer as 1 plus or minus root 3 I. Root 3 I. So therefore, m is equal to 1 plus or minus root 3 I. So what will be the complementary solution? Yc is equal to C1 e power minus 2t plus here for complex roots. How will you write the solution?
E to the power t
It's e power t into
c1 cos root 3
c2 cos root
c2 cos
3
t
plus c3
sin root.
root 3t. So this is nothing but yc is equal to c1 e power minus 2t. How can you write this in terms of x? Since x is equal to e power t, x square is equal to e power 2t. Okay. 1 by x square is equal to 1 by e power 2t. You can take it to upper side. So you can write it as e power minus 2t. Correct. So e power minus 2t can be written as 1 by x square, or you can write it as x power minus 2 plus. Okay. E power t can be expressed as x into c2 cos root 3t. So root 3 plus c3 sine root 3 log x. Fine. So in this way, we have written complementary solution. Similarly, we need to find yp. Yp is equal to right hand side 65 cos t divided by dq plus 8 is there. Okay, so we need to apply type 2 solution. Yp is equal to, how to write type 2 solution? So here identify what is ax, right? So quotient of t, it is 1. Okay, so we need to replace d square with minus 1 square. Okay, so minus 1 square is 1. So d square should be replaced with minus 1. So here 65 cos t can be written as here d square into d plus 8. Now d square should be replaced with minus 1. So yp is equal to 65 cos t divided by minus 1 d plus 8. So this is nothing but 65 cos t divided by minus d plus 8. Okay. Now again we need to replace d square with minus 1. But here in denominator d square is not there. So we have to convert this in terms of d square by doing rationalization process. Okay, so how to write rationalization process? Same function with minus in the middle you have to change. So d minus 8 divided by minus d minus 8. I am doing rationalization process. So yp is equal to 65 cos t into minus d minus 8 divided by a plus b into a minus b. You can write it as d square minus 8 square is how much? 64. Okay, minus d whole square, it is nothing but plus d square. Now you can replace this one with minus 1. So replace d square with minus 1. So yp is equal to 65 cos t into d. So into d is nothing but differentiation of cos t. So what is the differentiation of cos t? Differentiation of cos t. Svikruti, can you tell?
Sir,
Differentiation of cos t.
minus sine t.
minus sin t. Again here minus is there. So we'll get plus sin t. Okay. Next minus 65 into 8. So I can write it as like that only. Better I'll take 65 common. So 65 outside L, right? Only cos t I'll send inside. So I'll get 8 cos t divided by, in the place of d square I have to replace with minus 1, minus 64 will get. So minus 1 minus 64, it is minus 65. This one and this whole thing get cancelled. Okay, so with minus will be left. So yp is equal to multiply with minus in the numerator. So I'll get 8 cos t. Yes.
Sir, it should be minus sin t.
No, because differentiation of cos t is how much? Minus sign, right?
Yeah, got that.
Minus sign into minus d. Minus is it. So minus of minus will get plus. Fine. Because here minus d is there. Differentiation of cos t is minus sin t, minus into minus. Here plus. So yp you got this much. Now we have to replace t in the equation. So yp is equal to 8 cos t. So that means 8 cos log x minus sin log x. So this is your yp. Correct. Now you can substitute this in general solution. So general solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So which is nothing but y is equal to yc. Yc is quite big, that is c1 x square plus x into c2 cos root 3 log x, okay, plus c3 sin root 3 log x plus 8 cos log x minus sin log x. So this complete is the answer. Keep this bracket with x. Okay.